The top things you want to remember about the personal statement. 1, paying attention to deadlines is critical. 2, have somebody look it over. You don't want to just submit the first thing that comes to your mind. And 3, I forgot what 3 was.
To keep it simple, there's scholarships that you can't receive unless you complete the personal statement. So if you don't fill it out, you're essentially leaving money on the table.
We know that you're bigger than a test score or a GPA, and the personal statement really allows you to expand upon who you are as a person, what you've accomplished, and what you can really contribute to the university.
You should fill out the personal statement because you have nothing to lose.
Few hours of my life that I took out is going to impact me for the rest of my life. That's a chance that you should be willing to take.
We're not looking for a list of every single activity or service project. We are looking for a story.
350 words is like enough space so that you can thoroughly represent something.
Talk about one specific event.
I promise you there's something unique about you. Like, it might be something that you think is so minor. Focus in on that one singular experience and you realize how major it actually really is.
And everyone's different. Not everyone has the luxury of just focusing on school. Maybe you're working part-time helping family at home. Maybe you have younger siblings to take care of.
Take what you've had to do in these circumstances and say, because of this experience, I'm now better positioned to excel at school.
Pick your topic.
You've got a topic.
And be specific.
Specificity.
Specificity.
I think often the expectation we have of ourselves is that we were like, sit down, in 10 minutes, we'll be able to type out the perfect personal statement.
It's not how writing works.
Not for anybody. Get out a piece of paper or a laptop and just write everything that's in your mind about that topic. Even if it seems like garbage at the time and it doesn't make sense and it's not cohesive, it doesn't matter. Like, get it all onto the page. Take about a day away from it, maybe 2 days, and then come back and read it over, and oftentimes what you'll find is that there's some good stuff in there. That's how you start.
Have someone look at it.
Ask a friend or your teacher, like, is this representing me in a really clear and truthful way?
We're not looking at grammar, we're more looking for context, but it is important to show that you know how to write and you can articulate your thoughts.
Work on a good opening sentence, proofread it,
Then send it off.
Don't be too nervous because we just want to know who you are.
It's a chance to earn more money to go to Nebraska. We want to bring in students who have different perspectives and experiences to make this a great university.
I'm sorry.
How do I just put my hands?
I know.
I'm just like nervous. I've never done anything like this before.
I think that's cool that this kid can lick his elbow, but unfortunately it doesn't provide a lot of context or other information that would allow me to give you scholarship money or support through a program that would help you be successful.